So right, my project is about me feeling things that I find are beautiful. So I think you are a beautiful person.
Thank you.
Thank you. Legit?
Yeah,
What? Is that all?
yeah.
I don't know what to say. A lot of people tell me that also. Thank you.
Things that I find are beautiful.
Okay.
So I think that you are a beautiful person.
Oh, thanks.
Thank you.
Oh, I think I'm beautiful. I know I'm a flower. Thank you. Oh. Are you having a white ball?
No, I think you are a beautiful person. So I think you are a beautiful person.
Thank you.
So let's go chill here.
Okay.
So I think that you are a beautiful person.
Thank you. Thanks.
Things that I think are beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah, so I think you are a beautiful person.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Oh, is it?
Yeah, so I think you are a beautiful person.
Thank you. Cheryl. Can you retake?
No!
I don't know what to do. It's so funny. Wait, what? So are you trying to tell me that, I don't know, based on my history, infant skills, what does that mean? What do you mean by beautiful?
I just think that you're a beautiful person.
Oh, thank you. But what if I tell you I don't